it's not raining. Merry Vlogmas!
Is that what we're saying today?
Yes, please.
Looking at you to find out what we're meant to be
Good morning.
Merry Vlogmas Day 2. I don't think I can bear to try and do this to them every single day because goodness only knows what that one's going to get up to.
Christmas doesn't start until about
Good
9 days
morning,
before
Merry
Christmas.
Vlogmas.
Christmas starts in about October. Have you seen the Christmas can-can?
Good morning. I'm happy to see you.
Have you seen the Christmas can-can?
No.
I'll link it down in the description down below, but there's some guys that wrote a Christmas song to the can-can theme. It's so funny.
Oh.
Anyway, calendar time.
Yes, me first.
You go first.
Oh no, wrong way round.
You need to see the doors.
Can't it? Two.
Oh, if you turn yours over, Mum. So if you turn yours over,
Day
Mum.
2, and I've messed it up already. Can't get in there. Oh yes, I can.
What have you got?
Well,
Licorice?
we're going to do well on Ziploc bags.
I actually have a ton of these because that's how all my bag hardware arrives.
Yeah,
Oh,
these
nice.
look. Again, this isn't the licorice I was anticipating.
What are they called?
These look like lozenges.
They do.
Yeah, and it's called
Zoot giggles.
Zoot Giggles.
Zoot giggles. I'm so sorry about my German pronunciation, but they're kind of yeah.
Lozenges.
Yeah.
But I'll soon tell you.
There's 24 varieties in your calendar. So,
I'm all for it.
Yeah.
Your daily dose.
Sweet or savoury?
No, you can smell savoury, I think. Oh,
Is
Soft?
it chewy?
yesterday was very crunchy. This
When you
is
hear it.
chewy. You know, like fruit gums are chewy.
Oh, is it like a fruit pastel?
Like fruit pastel, rather,
Yeah.
are chewy. Oh, it's gorgeous.
Oh, that's good.
Absolutely wonderful. I'm so pleased they don't like licorice.
Yeah, I do.
We do.
Well, no, oh,
What is he like?
So Mum's. Yeah,
well, I suddenly like truffles.
it does say on the back of Mum's that it is truffles from Piedmont in Italy.
I got two. Oh no, it's one. No, I thought it was two for a minute.
That's
This is
another
gorgeous.
place.
This licorice is gorgeous.
Got a little red one.
It's very pretty.
Did it have a name on it like yesterday's did, didn't it?
Amaretti.
Oh, that would be
Whoa,
nice.
That sounds good. I love almonds.
Oh,
And
it
it's
looks
not
wonderful.
white.
I thought that was all going to disappear then.
She's learnt from last year. And so I have got. I have to say, I tried my white chocolate one yesterday, and even for me, that was too sweet, like way too sweet. So that was a bit of a fail.
Was it?
Oh bloody hell! White chocolate again. Oh no! I didn't think
It's not a box of white chocolate, is it?
No, it's not. There's dark, there's strawberry, there's white chocolate, and then white nut chocolate. I think that must have been what I had yesterday. So I've got another white chocolate.
But you
Oh, I
got to
can
drink it every day.
I can really smell that licorice.
Do you want to mix it with some licorice?
Yeah.
Do you want one?
No, I don't. I
No.
won't. But yeah, so welcome to day 2.
Absolutely gorgeous.
Okay guys, let me know if it's just our random beast or if yours likes this too. Susie, sit. Ooh, what is it? Ooh, what is it? She's gonna go and take it away and crunch on it. I swear she likes it. Is it all gone? Was that good? So I'm rather impressed with myself because I've got pockets, and yeah, these are the most difficult pockets I've ever done in my life, but I did, you know, add an extra layer of difficulty because I have lined them, and I lined them because quite a lot of people were mentioning that the back of the snap, which is purely decorative, was rubbing on their hands when they put it in. So it's back there. I've put extra interfacing over it so it doesn't rub on the silk, but yeah, I have pockets. Right, so now I can get on with the rest of the assembly, which means that I get to burrito something, which I'm quite excited about. So let's have at it. Okay, so I have been spending a lot of time working on these sleeves because I wanted the sleeves with the cuff on them and the opening, and this is not quite exactly how it's meant to look, but I also wanted to line it with that beautiful lining that my mum did for me, so I have kind of made this up as I have gone along, and it's worked. I'm fairly impressed with myself. I'm kind of like mixing up the lining instructions and the original pattern instructions, so I'm just getting to the cuff part here, and then I can put the sleeves into my jacket. So exciting. Okay, so it is still all in parts. The sleeve is not sewn on, the hood is not sewn on, but this is going to give you kind of like a rough idea of what we're going for. I'm well impressed with my pockets. I really like the faux leather on the sleeves with the cuff. Obviously that's falling off, and yeah, once the hood's actually sewn in, it won't be quite so far forward, but I think it's going to look really cool. I'm very happy with this. So I have a pin in here marking where I'm going to sew the drawstring or casing on, because that's meant to be at my natural waist, so I'm going to get that in. It's going to be interesting putting these sleeves in, because as you can see the lining's already in, so what I'm probably going to end up having to do is either finish it with bias binding once the body lining is in, or hand stitch the body lining to the sleeve head, although I'm not overly keen on that idea because obviously hand stitching is not as secure as machine stitching, but we'll see, but yeah, it's going to be good. It's going to be really good. Obviously we have the plackets that go down the front for the zip and then the button covers, so I think it's going to fit really nicely. Yeah, and I am still totally in love with my hood. And the sleeve's going to look cool. So yeah, most extra coat ever, and of course I have added many levels of difficulty because this is me we're talking about, and I wanted to, so yes, it's taking longer than I hoped, but never mind. So back up at mine, I am just about to go out and go and get some food because the cupboards are seriously bare up here. I need to get some fruit for mum and dad as well, and then I'm going to come back. I've got some editing to do as ever, when do I not, and I also want to dye my hair because I'm getting my hair done on Tuesday and I would like it to be the right colour all over, so I'm going to have a nice long hot soak in the tub, watch some TV in there because I'm going to take my laptop in there, which is probably not sensible, but it takes half an hour to get this bright red. So yeah, and this is what it's not dry, it really isn't dry. It might look dry but it's not. This is what it looks like when it's air dried, and it goes fluffy. So yeah, it's one of those things where it's not dry, it just kind of, it looks big. But yes, getting it all styled on Tuesday, so I'm really excited about that, and of course I will be taking you with me. Anyway, yes, food shopping, editing, bath, that's the plan for this evening. Exciting times. Looking uber glam, it's nearly 11 o'clock at night. I have dyed my hair and managed to not get quite as much hair dye in my hairline as usual, which is good. Painted my nails, had a nice long soak in the tub, so I've had a lovely evening, but I needed to say goodbye to you guys because I realised I hadn't done that yet. So I hope you have enjoyed Vlogmas Day 2. I have Big Bird, Baby Bother and Small Girl Type Creature arriving tomorrow, which is really exciting, and they're here for 3 days I think, so there shall be lots of family hilarity to share with you over the coming days. So I hope you're as excited as I am because it's really cool to see him. I haven't seen him since June, so yay. Anyway, I'm going to say goodnight and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.